Okay, I'll take care of it. Oh, the walk sign just went off. Alright, we are at 4th Avenue and Speedway. Look at this. Okay, the yellow lights just came on. This is going to be the first time I'm going to be seeing a European crosswalk. So you'll have to see in a minute. You'll have to wait. You'll have to wait and see when we get to do this. That one's got a clear LED. That one doesn't. I think that's a sound effect. No, it doesn't. $16.90. This is a weak one. Oh, walk sign is on. You're gonna be listening to this a while. Listen. Look at this. This is a Teknik one. Look at that. This is weird. Look at this. Oh, it says Sweden on it. This is a Sweden crosswalk. Watch, look at this. Alright, that's it.